there, food explorers! Ever wondered what happens after you eat your favorite snacks or meals? Today, we're going to take a super fun journey through your tummy. We'll learn about some amazing foods that help our body digest properly, like fiber-rich foods and probiotics. Let's dive in! So what is digestion? When we eat, the food travels through a long path inside our bodies, which is called digestion. Your stomach and intestines work like a busy factory, breaking down food and giving us energy. Fiber is like the broom of the digestive system. It helps sweep everything through your tummy, keeping everything moving smoothly. Fiber-rich foods include fruits, veggies, whole grains, and beans. These foods help keep us regular. Here's a fun trivia question. Which of these foods is rich in fiber? A. Candy, B. Carrots, or C. Soda? Did you guess B. Carrots? Well, you got it. Carrots are a great source of fiber. Why is fiber important for your digestion? A. It helps you fly. B. It keeps your digestion regular. Or C. It turns into sugar. That's right. B is the right answer. Fiber keeps your digestion regular and helps you stay healthy. Did you know there are two types of fiber? Soluble fiber helps absorb water and turns into a gel, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your food to help it move through your body. Trivia question: which type of fiber helps keep things moving in your tummy? A. Soluble fiber, B. Insoluble fiber, or C. Neither? Great job if you said B. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and keeps things moving through your digestive system. Now let's talk probiotics. These are good bacteria that live in our tummies. They help us fight off bad bacteria and keep our gut healthy. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, pickles, and some cheeses. Time for trivia! Where can you find probiotics? A. Candy, B. Yogurt, or C. Potato chips? Yes, B is correct. Yogurt is full of probiotics, which are the good bacteria that help your tummy stay healthy. What do probiotics do for your body? They help your tummy stay balanced. B, they make your hair grow. Or C, they help you run faster. You got it. A is correct. Probiotics keep your tummy healthy and balanced. Fiber and probiotics are the perfect team. Fiber helps probiotics grow and do their job even better. Together, they keep your gut happy, help you digest food, and make sure your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Trivia question: how do fiber and probiotics work together? A. They make your tummy strong. B. They help you grow faster. Or C. They help you digest food and stay healthy. The correct answer is C. They help your digestion and help keep your tummy healthy. To keep your digestion happy, eat fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains, and probiotic foods like yogurt and pickles. Trivia time! Which of these foods is a great fiber-rich snack? A. Popcorn, B. Ice cream, or C. Chocolate? Popcorn! That's right! A. Popcorn is a yummy, fiber-rich snack. And what about probiotics? Which food is a great source of probiotics? A. Pickles, B. Donuts, or C. Fries? Pickles! A is the correct answer. Pickles have probiotics that help your gut. Last one. What should you eat to keep your digestion healthy? A. Only sugary snacks. B. A mix of fiber-rich and probiotic foods. Or C. No food at all. Yes, B. A mix of fiber-rich foods and probiotics help keep your digestion working smoothly. Wow, you all did amazing today. Now you know how fiber and probiotics help your digestion. So next time you eat your fruits, veggies, and yogurt, remember, you're giving your tummy some extra love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun food facts. See you next time, food explorers!